Oh, emotions are high for sure. But life is our curriculum, right? Everyone we meet is our teacher. They're all here to teach us something, everyone. So I'm here, and I'm so happy to be able to share with you my love for this beautiful song, which I kind of think of as like, it's talking about a prophet. Oh boy. So here we go. There was a boy, a very strange, enchanted boy. They say he wandered very far, over land and sea. A little shy and sad of eye, but very wise was he. And then one day, one magic day, he passed my way, and we spoke of many things, fools and kings, but this he said to me: the greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. The greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. Thank you.